Hi, Valerie here. Today we're going to be talking about what jobs we can do in the garden in April. April's a lovely month that we think of sowing seeds in, but there's still plenty of jobs we need to be doing. One of the first ones we need to keep on top of is deadheading all of our spring bulbs. It's sad to see them go over, but it's necessary to take the heads off as soon as they pass, because otherwise they make seeds which takes the energy from the bulb. Leave the leaves though, because the leaves need to be on there for about 6 weeks. It's best if they can die off naturally actually before you cut them off, but leave them at least 6 weeks and then that will feed the bulbs and you'll have lovely spring bulbs for next year. Another job we need to do, if like me you leave all of the dead stems on your perennials over winter so the birds can feed on them and hide in them, now's the time to cut them off before the new growth really emerges. So cut all that dead stuff down, put it in your compost heap. Remember that counts as brown, so that can go between your grass clippings. And also, if you find your perennial clumps have got really big, split them and make them into more clumps. And finally, one of the jobs I do at this time of year is to take cuttings from my chrysanthemums. These ones have got a nice lot of shoots on them that I can cut back. I've overwintered this one, but if you've got new ones that you've taken delivery of, just let them grow on a little bit and start taking cuttings. Like that, pot them on, and you'll have loads of chrysanthemums for the summer. Well, that's some of the jobs I'm going to be doing this April. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a like and remember to subscribe, because that's all from me for today. Bye for now.